Okay, so if I give you the brief idea about this again, this is nothing but I have listed out few factors which affects the most to us when it comes to systematic business decision making. Now, while taking any entrepreneurial idea, we are going to evaluate that idea that whether we should invest or not based on these factors. Now, see, when you get the alternatives, you do not have the luxury to evaluate all each and every alternatives in a minute detail, right? Because if you will be evaluating each and every one, every opportunity comes to you, then it's pretty much time consuming. So there is one preliminary screening. When I say preliminary screening, matlab ke ત્યાં જ રિજેક્ટ થઈ જાય આઈડિયા. આપણી પાસે અમુક લોકો આવતા હોય તો અમુક લોકોમાંથી ઇન્ટરવ્યુ કેનું લેવું એ પછી ડિસાઈડ કરીએ. ઇન્ટરવ્યુ લેતી વખતે અડધી કલાક થાય કે ના થાય, પણ એની અંદર જ સ્ક્રીનિંગ થઈ જાય ને આપણને ખબર પડી જાય કે ભાઈ આટલા લોકોને નીકાળી દેવાના છે, આ પાંચમાંથી જ સિલેક્ટ કરવાના છે, then it becomes pretty much easy for us, right? So that's the preliminary screening. We reject few ideas just based on a preliminary screening. Now, preliminary screening is not something which is too much into a detail, first of all. But it shouldn't be like हवा में बातें हो रही है. It shouldn't be like it is purely a subjective in nature. It shouldn't be like मेरा तो emotion है कि मुझे ये करना है इसलिए मेरे को ये करना है. No, there has to be some quantified strategy too. So it is something in between, not very much in detail, but it shouldn't be like हवा में लटकी हुई तलवार और ऐसे ही मजे में डिसीजन ले लिया. There has to be some quantification of the ideas, right? So see, in this case we have three proposals. One is establishment of the data analytics firm in Rajkot. Number two is establishment of plastic manufacturing plant in Rajkot. And number three is water bottle manufacturing unit in Rajkot. So let's think from the perspective and the locational advantage of the Rajkot. We have already given the weights. Weights are assigned to the various factors. You can see the factors, each and every one. Now this is something which is already been done. So you will have to just put your mind that what score you will give to each of these proposals. And based on that, some numerical exercises we do. So let's start with the proposal number one, that is data analytics firm in Rajkot. I'll be taking the suggestions of all of you in this. Fits the personality of a promoter. Say you are going to establish this. Whether it really fits the personality of yours, from 1 to 5, we need to give the score. What do you say? How much? Aruna, as per your choice, from 5? 4. Good. So obviously we are the business analytics students, so it fits the personality of us. Now the problem with some of the people who have just, analytical kind of a statistical modeling kind of a knowledge, but do not have the business management knowledge, is that they cannot identify the opportunity to sell their things, to sell their skills. The combination of the business management skills and the data analytics skills is so much invincible in nature that it also contains some sales skills, some finance skills, some really good communication skills too, and along with that you have some technical knowledge too. That's why this combination is very much famous nowadays. That's why the engineering students are also trying to pursue this course. So we have this knowledge. If you tell it to a pure data analytics student who just do not have the business management knowledge, try to frame the strategy, he would be stuck. He do not have the behavioral aspect idea about the many things, right? So he do not have the finance related idea or the many things. He do not know that how this time value of money actually works. He do not know that how to evaluate the project just purely on the basis of finance. He do not have that idea. That's why this mixture is one of the best mixture. Okay, next one, accessible to promoter. Accessible to promoter. When I say accessible, that means you possess a bit requisite knowledge. You are accessible. It contains various other things too. Locational benefit you have. Obviously, you people are staying right now in Rajkot. So it is accessible to you. You can physically visit your firm, right? So over there too, I can give 4 to 5. 5. Now this 5% is the weight I have given. Huh? Now let's start putting the weight. Competition from established players. Right now, this is a very favorable for you. We do not have many people in market. When it comes to this idea, you can actually allot 5 to this. Rapid growth and high return. I personally feel that for this business, if you possess the requisite skill and if you are able to make your clients realize that there is a need of such kind of an analytics, then there is a huge growth and rapid potential. Now see, the major problem here is, and this is applicable to each and every kind of a problem. If you are able to realize the need of anything among the people, 90% of the war has been won. 90% of the work is done when you are able to realize the need of anything. That depends on how you communicate with the people, whether you are able to replicate the importance of what you are doing among the people or not. If that is done, no, then there is a market. So you'll have to make them realize. They do not realize that there is a need of it. Yesterday also I gave you a very simple example. If someone comes to you and says that, what is the demographic trend of this street? What kind of people generally pass by this street? What are the 2 rush hours where the maximum number of people are visiting this street? Can you just say me that how many professional people are living nearby this particular shop? Can you just tell me that if you have the idea about few of this shop in this street who have got some really good profits in past few years, if this data is available to someone, say for at 5,000 or 6,000, don't you think that that fellow who is taking the decision of investment of 5 to 10 lakhs, for he will be stuck in that business for so many number of years? Won't he be spending 5,000, 4,000 for this? Don't you think so? I think he would be spending it. The thing is the realization of that need. Number 2, you must have the data too. How to gather, how to compile that, that's up to you. Let's move to the rapid growth and high return. Let me put 4 over there. Consistent with the government priorities, absolutely. Skill India mission, Digital India mission, technology. We are right now spending more and more. And good thing about the budget, the educational allotment in the budget is increased to the great extent yesterday. Good to see that. 5. Environmental effects, absolutely. It's green. There is no worries when it comes to the environmental effects. Licensing of the project, not required many. Do you require any licensing for this to start the business? And when I say licensing, you will have to think from every government aspects, I mean, whether there are legal formalities to establish the business or not. How much you will be stuck into a legal formalities. Here in this case, you won't be stuck too much. So let me put 5 again over there. Availability of appropriate human resource. That is something which is a matter of concern. How many? 2 or 1? Okay, 2. Now thing is that people do not have the requisite knowledge to do this. Early mover advantage. Yes, absolutely. You are right now very new in the market. Let me put 4 there. Capital required can be managed. Now let's assume that all these proposals 3 you have got, no, you are able to invest in it. I mean, you have the enough resources to invest in it. Let's assume that, say 10 lakhs rupees, 15 lakhs rupees, whatever the amount is required, you are able to invest in it. So capital can be managed in all 3 cases. I'm putting 5 there. Technical know-how can be obtained. Yes. 4. Raw material available. How in this case, it's not a manufacturing industry. But still, when I say raw material, that means any kind of a thing which you require. It could be a good internet connectivity, or it could be a proper environment. It could be a proper facilities of land, some data server facilities. You require to store the huge amount of data. Whether that is available in this region, yes, it is available. Let me put 4 over there. Export potential. Now here in this business, I feel that when I say export, let's do not think from the physical perspective. Generally, the products we are exporting at that time, we are using the word export. Here in this case, you can provide a freelancing to the people who are situated in other countries. Now over there is a huge manpower already available with higher and advanced technology. So in local market, you can think that you have the potential to do so. But when it comes to the export, you require a higher expertise. So if we are establishing that in a Rajkot, obviously someone from US won't be giving you the contract here, right? So, and some of the emerging countries do not even realize that there is a need of such kind of things in Rajkot, or that is required in their business. So let me put two over there. I do not find much export potential as of now. Yes, if you are there in a Bangalore, this marks would be somewhere 4 to 5. Favorable to demographic trends. When I say demographic trends, that includes every sort of a thing related to the population. It could be, gender, it could be society, it could be caste equations, it could be religious equations, it could be age equations, it could be any other thing related to the population. Now, favorable, I am not very much positive as far as the Rajkot is concerned. I am not very much negative too. Let me put moderate marks there. Governmental control over price and distribution. Whether your industry is such that which operates very freely, or government has some control over the price and distribution. When I say government has the control, that means government can take any point of time the control of this industry. That happens. Some of the industries are highly regulated. Government कभी भी जाके वहां पे, if you take the banking example, yesterday Aruna's plan was to establish the banking business, no, here. Yes Bank को ले लिया. So if there would be some problems, government can take over anything. Here in this case, we do not have much, so it's favorable. And if it is favorable, that means I can put 4 or 5, yes or no. Availability of the local market, here again there would be a problem because customers do not realize the need of it right now. Companies do not realize the need of it. The problem is that they feel that it is not required much. There has to be the awareness too. Awareness gets spread after some time. It takes a time. In Rajkot region specifically, I'm talking about. See, the attitude of data-driven decision is based only after you get some kind of an education. Here in this region, though there is a money, it is quite developed region as compared to various other regions. But still that data-driven decision making is something which is lacking among the people. So many of decisions we are taking are pretty much, what can I say, instinctive in nature. Some people are doing it because of the family constraints. Some people are doing it because they already have the experience of it. Some people are doing the things. And here in this region, the bias and emotions of the people are affecting them a lot. So the main thing which is required, no, that is the intent towards the data driven decision. When there is an intent for the data driven decision, no, then comes rational decision making into the picture. And when there is a rational decision making, Heli, at that time the data analytics comes into the picture. You do not want to decide anything just purely based on your emotions, your biases, your experiences, and the things you want to do. That is the basic instinct which is lacking over here. So I would put 2 over there. Reasonableness of the costs, and in that too you can put something moderate. Vulnerability to the business cycle, I don't think there would be too much vulnerable to the business cycle. Even if there would be a lockdown, you will be able to operate it. Even if some industries would crash, you will be able to operate it. So it is not too much vulnerable to the other changes. So I feel so this industry is something which is not very much vulnerable to the to the problems and the things that we are facing outside. So let me put 4 there. Technological changes, yes, they are coming, and you need to be extremely updated. Let me put moderate 3. Shift in consumer preferences. Right now, not very much visible, but yes, there is a shift in the consumer preferences. People are moving towards it. Here, you need to be little optimistic. Shift is taking some time. I am right now stating the current realistic situation that people are not taking the data driven decision, but I am not pessimistic about it. I feel the trend is being changing, though at a rate which is below the expectation, but it is changing. Let's be optimistic. Okay,
Sir,
so the next step is going to be,
sir,
oops, I forgot to share the screen to all of you. I'm sorry. Now that fellow is saying me, oh. Anyway, you people had the file over there, no? So you could see that in
yes, sir.
this. Okay, no worries. Okay, so the next step is going to be you will be multiplying your rating, whatever the rating you have given with the weight. Let me multiply that with the weight. So you get some score. Now, obviously, we won't be doing it again and again. You people have learned the advanced Excel from me, and if you will be doing this again and again, that would be the great insult of mine. Do Control C. You can paste it, or you can just drag it. You can have a double click to here, and you would get the factor score for each and every factors. Now let's do the summation here equal to SUM. So all the factor scores we have received, let's sum it up. And I guess 3.94 is the score you have received there. Now see, there is a tactical, what do I call, some of the things for which I have given the higher weights. You must understand that that's what matters to the businessman the most. When it comes to rapid growth and high return, even though the government policies might not be in a line, that matters most to you. So you can give even a higher weight to this. I have given 15 percentage Purvita, you can give even 25 percentage. For some people, money matters the most, obviously. For all, not some. Okay, let's go to the proposal number 2. And now this is entirely up to you, whatever the arbitrary marks you want to give. Please give it. I'm doing it from my side. Some people would be like, sir, वो प्रोजेक्ट 2 में जाते हैं ना, तो है ना वो फैक्टर्स चले जाते हैं. Now see, don't raise such kind of doubts, because again that would be the great insult of mine. You people are aware that there is something called freeze pans. If you are not, let me make you aware. So say if I am there in C6 right now, and if you want to freeze the pens, that means in the left hand side, everything must get stuck. It must be visible to you wherever you are roaming around. And at the top side too, these things must be visible to you. So how do you do this? Let me use the magnifier so that my online students get it in a better way. I think you have got my question, my concern here. So if I'm there right now on this, so everything which is there at upside must also be visible where I'm there, wherever and whatever the cells I would be. And in left hand side too, this two particular columns must be fixed. So I can go to, give me a 1 second, I need to check. Yes, in the view tab, you have something called freeze pans. So please click on the freeze pans there. So effectively, what you have done is, if you roam around right hand side, those two columns are fixed now. Yes or no? Purvita, yes or no? Thank you. Aruna? Good. So let's give the marks to proposal 2 as well as to the proposal 3. people would be like, आपने इतने marks कैसे दे दिया? मैंने random function use किया. But you people would be justifying your marks. Huh? There is one function called random between, where you can specify your bottom marks and top marks. So it would allocate the random numbers in between. Very simple and easy to implement. Equal to RAND between, opening the bracket, say bottom is 1 and top is 5. Closing the bracket, so randomly marks are allocated. Let me have a double click on the right hand side corner so that the formula gets copied to all other cells. Let me do Control C. Now problem with this formula is that once you enter this formula, no, it will keep on changing the random numbers. So let's fix it now. So I'm doing the Control C, and over there too, I'm pasting the value. So if I'll do the Control V, then the problem is that again the entire formula would be copied. I do not want to copy the formula. I just want to copy the values and paste it over there on those cells only, right? So what I'll do is, I'll go to the paste special. You cannot do the normal paste, no, something special needs to be done, yes or no? So let's go to the paste special. So here you have the paste special. Hey, idhar gaya? Either. Then you have something called paste special over there. There are shortcuts too. But if I use the shortcut, you people would be like, oh, kya kiya? Then you have something like values. Press OK. So those numbers will not get changed. But this is not recommended. You should put the marks based on some logic and rationale. Okay, once the marks are given, please find the factor score for all these two proposals. Now here in this case, I have just taken 3 alternatives. Obviously, you would have 15 or 20 alternatives. The things are very simple, you know, but people make the faulty decisions in this too. Even if you take the example of investment of say 5 to 10 lakhs, then first of all, decide your priorities, the things which matters the most to you. Allocate the relative importance and do some scoring. So based on that, you will be able to make the rational decision that is applicable to so many things. I hope the online students are doing this along with me. Acha, online students might face some issue, even it is applicable to the offline students too, something new to learn, Purvita. The problem is that if I am teaching online, no, and at the same time you are supposed to do it in your laptop too, right? So you have one shortcut for this. Say on left hand side, you can divide your entire screen between the two things. How can you do this? Can someone tell me?
Window left click.
हाँ, विंडो लेफ्ट भी कर सकते हो और क्या कर सकते हो दूसरा मालूम है? हाँ, शो विंडो साइड बाय साइड करके एक ऑप्शन भी आता है. See, you can go over there at the top. Say I'm there in a BA study file. and I can go over the top. I would drag it to the left hand side till the time it says no. और भेजो एकदम लेफ्ट में जाने दो, फिर उसको इग्नोर लगेगा ना, फिर अब बोलेगा कि नहीं नहीं अब नहीं प्लीज. Now that is stuck in left hand side. Now on right hand side, say you require something that is meeting. So parallelly, both the things are moving. I hope you have got all the online students joined over there. Jalpa, Krishna, Pooja.
Yes, sir.
Good. Let me increase the screen size again. Okay, let me find the score using the summation, and you won't be using the summation again. The first summation you have done, copy that and paste it over here because the formula gets copied. The third one as well, Control C and Control V over there. Even though I have given the random numbers, no, I have. Okay, is everyone done with this? And if I'm there in too much of speed, let me know, huh, please. एक हो जाए तो छोटू सा कंफर्मेशन दे देना, और मुझे टाइम ज्यादा देना हो तो भी बता देना. Okay, from Jalpa I have got the confirmation. Giving you 2 minutes to Krishna as well as Pooja. Let's do it. Now all those who have done may go to the required fields. What you are supposed to do now, please check it. First one is identify top 5 factors contributing the most in your score. So in all 3 proposals, you will be doing this. Now there is something called conditional formatting in Excel. You can highlight top and bottom 5, right? So manually, obviously, you will not be doing it. So let's go to the factor score, and the first step to apply the conditional formatting is to select all the scores on which you want to apply. Now you can select this entirely, excluding the total. After that, let me use the magnifier so that you will be able to get it in a better way. We go to the Home tab. From there, you go to the conditional formatting. In conditional formatting, there is something called highlight cell rules. No, top bottom rules. And you will be selecting the first option in the top bottom rules. So instead of 10, you would be putting 5 there. And whatever the formatting you want to apply, you can. So pressing. Now see, on right hand side, you have the formatting options. Purvita, you click over there. You can give the format of your choice, whether you want the yellow color to be filled or you want the green color to be filled. That is up to you. You can have the custom formatting too. You can change the borders, change the fonts, all such sort of things. So I'm just selecting the first one and pressing OK. You must be able to know that these are the 5 factors which matters the most. Obviously, the factors which would have the same score will also be taken, right? Now let's do it for the second two, and the third two will be doing it. Conditional formatting. Top bottom rules. And instead of 10, I'll be putting 5 there. Press OK. And that I have done on the factor score, huh? Not on rating, please. I'm again going to the conditional formatting, top bottom rules, and selecting the first one, only 5 instead of 10, pressing OK. Okay, so you have got the marks of all the factors which affects the most. Just a second. Okay, so one must understand that, see, these are the factors which affects you. You have recorded it. But which are the factors which are contributing the most to your score? That is also something which is a matter of concern for you. Along with that, you also want to find the bottom 5 factors, so that you'll be able to understand that which are the factors at which you will have to work upon, where your idea is getting rejected. After that, you can again think about your strategy, that whether the weight you have given for that factor should be changed because of the fact that, you know, some weights I have given, the factor score is coming too less. And if the factor score is coming too less, and because of that my entire project idea is getting rejected, is there is a need to revise the factor score? Is there is a need to revise the weight I have given to that factor? So based on top 5 and bottom 5 analysis of yours, you'll be able to understand that whether there is any need of revision or modification, either in a score or in your relative importance you have given in terms of weight. Is it clear? Okay. Now let's do it for the bottom 5 too. Instead of top, you will be selecting the bottom. So selecting this entirely, all the scores, home tab, conditional formatting, and it would be bottom 10 items, which is a third option. Instead of 10, I'll be taking 5, and let me give a different color there so that you will be able to recognize in a better way. Let me put green there. नो, ये तो कैसी बात हो गई ना, मतलब जो कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं उसको लाल दे दिया और जो नहीं कर रहे उसको ग्रीन दे दिया, कुछ अलग देना है. लेट मी पुट येलो. Have you all done it? Let me know. Somewhere I read it that your proficiency in Excel is having the inverse relationship with the use of mouse. But I am supposed to right now. Oi. Great. So after this, once you identify which contributes the most and which contributes the least in your score, you can revise your strategy if it is required. Now, again, if this visualization is not enough to make you realize that what contributes the most and what does not, we have some better visualizations too. Yesterday, I got your syllabus of W, and I came to know that there are certain charts like tree map, flow, water flow chart, which were there in the as a part of your syllabus. That is also there in the Excel too. So let's use that. If you're using the version 2019, 16, 19, anyone having 19 there? Okay, Purvita might be having. Yours version? Aruna? Okay, fine, no worries. Check it out, no? Whether you have this option called tree map here in insert tab. So this is the tree map, hierarchy chart. In hierarchy chart, there is something called tree map there. That's the part of your W syllabus. Okay, then there is something called water flow chart as well. So let's try to implement those charts, how the visualizations looks like. Just have a bit of exercise on it. Not related to the project rating strategy, but मेरे को कितनी minutes निकालनी है? 50. तो अब 2 रह गए हैं तो कर लेते हैं. So next one is, next requirement is, what do we have? Let's check it out. Oh, there I had put the goal seek function utility too. No worries, fine. Prepare the tree map for each factor's contribution. So how can you prepare the tree map? Now see, in the tree map, if you have a particular box, then according to the percentage of contribution they are making, few boxes will be created. So each one would be allotted a space in proportion to the contribution they are making to the total. So let's do it for the first one. First of all, select it, entire factor score, excluding the total. Otherwise, the total would be forming a 50% of your box. Why 50% did you get it? Because total plus total would be 2, no? Okay, let's go to the insert now again. Tree map, inserting the first one, and you have something like this. Now here in this case, the names are given are the branches. So if you would have selected those factor names, no, then the factor names would have been there. So let's select the factor name. I'm deleting this chart again. What you can do is, you can have the selective selection. I'm using this word intentionally, selective selection. You do not want to select entire thing. You want to select only the thing which is important. So first is the name of those factors which is required. So I'm selecting that. Once the names are selected, you can press the control button now. कंट्रोल प्रेस किया हुआ ही है, अभी तक छोड़ा नहीं है. इसके बाद में आई एम गोइंग टू द फैक्टर स्कोर. आई एम सिलेक्टिंग द फर्स्ट वन and with the mouse click I am selecting all the factor scores too, excluding the heading. Right, so that is the selective selection. Now thing is, it's not the only way through which you can do it. Please put it in the back of your mind. If you would have selected all these columns which are forming in between, then also it's fine. You can remove the unwanted data later. But by this, you won't have to remove the unwanted data later. I hope you have got this. Is it happening there? Good. So once you do that, then you go through again the insert tab. and you have something called tree map there. Click OK there, and obviously, sir, the names are also visible to me. You can adjust the size of those boxes as per your needs. So rapid growth and high return is something in the data analytics firm in Rajkot is contributing the most to my decision making. Now again, while we had given the marks to this rapid growth and high return, we didn't know that this would be affecting our total score this much. If you feel that, sir, rapid growth and see, this is understood, but still it would be taking some time, some more years to get developed. You can revise your score. You can revise your importance, relative importance you have given, the weight you have given. So based on that, you can change it. Okay, so the task for you guys is you will be doing the tree map for second as well as for the third one. Okay, one more thing. You may check over here, and the exercises you will keep on doing at your home. Now say if someone asks me that what is exactly the addition made by one particular factor in your total. So I want to see the exact addition in some visualized manner. If you just draw a simple bar chart, you don't get what is the exact addition done by each and every factor in your total summation, right? So that's why there is something called flow chart, water flow chart. That's where you get the exact addition of each and every factor that is forming a part of your total. And that would also be something which is a good visualization. So let's do it. You can do that. So first of all, I'm selecting all the factors. Then control button. And do not forget to include the scores too. So scores of the first proposal. ये क्या हुआ? ये देखो मेरे दो जा रहा है. Just a second, huh? Laptop is right now high on ganja. Let me. I don't know what has happened to it. Control Z, Control Z. Oh, something has happened to my laptop. I don't know what. And if I'm going over there, it is not getting selected too. Okay, it is hanged a bit. No worries. A few things are there. I guess it's a time for the next lecture to you. Otherwise, you will be like, "Sir, break chala gaya hamara." Let's do it in the next one. Goal seek function is well, we will be doing it, and that would be the end of the project writing strategy. I hope you have got it right. So if I just do the rapid fire revision of everything we have done, no? What we had done first of all is that, see, you cannot take a subjective decision. Obviously, by being a data analytics student, business analytics student, we take the data driven decisions. So it's not something like हमें अच्छा लगा कि ये factor important है तो इसलिए हमने invest कर दिया. We want one quantified measurable strategy through which we screen the projects. Now we are still into the screening of projects. We are not right now into the financial evaluation of each and every project. because that is something which requires too much of understanding about the things. That is something which is too much time consuming in nature too. That would be a minute level reader. We are not right. We haven't gone into that yet. We are just right now into the preliminary screening, but that process too, we do not want to make just a subjective in nature. We want to make it objective in nature. That's why we have quantified it. Right? So all the steps are clear. This is applicable to various investment decisions you can make. This is also applicable to even if you are making the investment of 5 to 10 lakhs in some of the business or profession you want to establish. Try to look at all those alternatives available to you. Try to frame a measurable strategy. Try to frame that which factors matters the most to you, so that you will be able to take the rational and intelligent decision. That's it from my side. Online students can put your attendance there. Yes, Jalpa, tree map is not available in 2013, as well as the water flow chart, that is also not available. And let me put the attendance manually here. One is Purvita, then Meet, then Aruna, and then Heli. Online students can put their enrollment number, please. And once it is done, then you may disperse from the lecture. Bye bye, take care, sayonara, enjoy the rest of the day.